Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're all well, and today I got a quick video for you on the new car that I bought thanks to you. So here we are, this is another VW Scirocco 2-litre TDI GT Edition, 140 horsepower. This is 2010 model. Obviously you've seen my previous video on the blue one, the blue motion that I had. I've sold that and I did share it on the social media, and I've seen a lot of you weren't really happy with me selling it and leaving the community. So I told you I'll get back to it, and to be honest, after 2 weeks I did realise that I made a mistake, and here we are. Got this one. Lovely color. I haven't seen one in this color before, also with panoramic roof, which is pretty sick. So yeah, definitely happy with the purchase so far. There's a lot to be done on it. I mean, the bodywork is in the perfect condition. To be honest, my blue one wasn't that great, but yeah, this is just a quick video for you guys to show you that I did go back to Scirocco community, and here we are. Right, so now most of you probably going to be like, what the hell, Alex, why has it got Merc wheels? Well, to start with, this is not Merc wheels, this is just the covers. I know it looks horrible. Well, for some people it might not look horrible, for the others, but yeah, I'm pretty sure majority has placed a comment already on my picture, said what the hell is wrong with you. So yeah, this is just the caps. That's how I bought it. I have got a spare set of wheels that look pretty sick, to be honest. I'm just sorting everything out. I want to start with the car, how I bought it. Also doing a quick video for you on how to buy a car and what to look for in the Sciroccos and what app to use, which is Vehicle Smart. Pretty good app, and diagnostic tools that I've used to check it before I bought it. So yeah, don't worry about it. This is just the winter tires on it for now. The other wheels are going to be going on there, and the long-waited video for you on lowering springs will be coming out soon as well. I'm just sorting out the company to get a decent brand and decent discount for you guys. As soon as I sorted that out, I will be doing the job, showing you how to do it, and obviously giving you links to get discount and get decent kit for the springs. So the next bit, looking at this angle, you're probably going to look at the exhaust tips. Yeah, they are a bit weird. They're not original ones. I will be sorting out, either putting the genuine kit on there, because there's quite a bad bit of welding on there, and one of the part of the exhaust is held with cable ties. So yeah, good old cable tie is sorting out the job. Right, so it did have the wiper delete kit on there already. I haven't done it personally. It was on there already. To be honest, I know it looks cool. It does look better, but on my roads, there's a lot of rubbish on the road, there's a lot of mud, and my rear windscreen just getting covered constantly. The car gets dirty as well, and when I'm reversing to let someone go, I can't see bug all, so I do need to sort that out. And looking at the badge, it has been, the owner did tell me it has been just sprayed. Lucky for us, we have got a decent company that provides us with some decent badges that are already black, so I will be replacing that as well. Rear light units are obviously original ones, so I will be fitting my LED ones. I got 2 sets actually. I'll see which one's gonna look better on this car. So yeah, that's gonna look pretty cool. And while we're here, this is actually the only bit of damage on this car, which is pretty sick. Just slight marks there. You really can't really notice it that much unless you're washing it and it's your car that you're looking at it all the time. So for that, I have got a Draper Tools kit, the polisher, and some products that I'm going to do a quick video for you how to get rid of light scratches on your car. I think that will be ideal for that as well, and that will disappear. I'm 100% sure on that. Right, so let's have a look at the interior, and before that I just want to mention one quick tip. I know a lot of people don't know about this. If you press and hold the open button on your key fob, it will drop the windows down, and in this case open the panoramic roof, which is pretty sick. And the same for when you lock the car. Press and hold the lock button, and there you go, everything shuts as well. So here we are. The interior is really clean, like I mentioned before. Leather seats, heated seats, which is pretty cool. The first car I actually got was heated seats. I do love it, to be honest. You got the original unit in there, which I need to replace because it hasn't got Bluetooth, which is a bit annoying. I already got the new unit for that. It was my Christmas present, early Christmas present. Thank you, Mum, by the way. And yeah, I'll be replacing that, showing you how to fit one. It's actually quite a decent unit. The reviews are awesome, so I had a look at it as well already. So we'll be doing that. That's a video for you. So apart from that, the comfort button doesn't work, the DCC function, because the previous owner had, I'm pretty sure he did have different shocks and springs on it, so he just unplugged it and removed the fuse. I will have a look into that. Haven't had the time yet. The multifunction control on the steering, really good. I had it on the previous one, it's definitely handy. Did have a couple of cars without it, and once you've driven one with it, you can't live without it. Like I said, everything's looking tidy. You've got automatic lights, automatic wipers. The only thing it hasn't got is cruise control, but I don't really use it. Got my little plant here, my little friend in the car, so I'm taking care of that. See my cup holder, lovely little fella. By the way, guys, just to mention, this is the video I'm going to be doing. New tool from Topdon. I've used this tool to check all the fault codes on this car that I'm going to show you. You can watch the video as well. Really awesome tool. It has got glow plug issues, which is causing the starting problem when it's cold. 3 of them I think are gone, but I will show you a separate video on that as well, which is pretty cool. Got the glow plugs already. Just before we go, I just had a look at the lights, and yeah, all the lights on this car are still original ones. None of them are LED, and this is something that I'm going to be doing as I've done on the last one. So yeah, James, if you're watching, thank you very much, bud. You're brilliant. So this is James from Carmodshop, guys. Most of you probably already heard of him, or you probably messaged him or bought stuff from him. You got brilliant discounts with him, decent products. They're really good, as you've seen on my previous car. So yeah, James, thank you very much for sorting us out and for being a great dude through all my journey with the other Scirocco, and I'm really looking forward to work with you next year as well. So yeah, what we've spoken about is that we're going to do like a kit. So I'm going to be doing lights, obviously in the interior. So we do like an interior kit with all the lights that you have to replace in here. I know obviously in my previous videos I got it all, but some of you messaged me, can we buy just the whole kit and do the interior in one go? Yeah, you can. We're going to sort it out, and I'm going to obviously do a video on that quick one and show you how to replace them just really quick, because obviously you got the full detailed videos before. And we're going to do the same for the exterior lights. I know some of them are expensive, so we'll do probably a couple of kits. I'll do like the front and the back afterwards. So yeah, that's something to look forward as well. Before I bought the car, I've used the app called Vehicle Smart. It's the app that I've been using for the last 5 years. I use it every time before I buy a car, because you can put the reg in there and it gives you all the details about the car. So you got the free option, which gives you the basic details, but the most important things it gives you is price of a tax per year, which is pretty good, and the tax bracket or whatever, the type of tax. It gives you the MOT history, the full MOT history online there. You can check the mileage, which is really important before you buy a car, so you can check every year how many miles it's done. You get a graph, which is really helpful. It shows you if the car has been clocked or if something happened with the mileage, if there's some uneven difference or whatever, it comes up in orange or red. So please pay attention to that before you buy a car. The other handy feature, I mean, I think you pay 99p and you get the full description of the car, which is really good. And the other important thing, before you buy a car, please ask you, do HPI check, because I've seen so many people losing a lot of money on not doing HPI check because the seller forgot to mention that the car is on finance or it has been written off, so it's a Cat D or N or whatever. It gives you like a protection, it gives you a warranty pretty much, and it gives you all the details about the car. Is it on finance? Is it been written off? Has he ever had a plate change or whatever? Has he had a private plate or whatever? It's really important to do that check before you buy a car. I do it myself all the time, and I'm always safe when I'm buying a car. What I would like to mention also, if you want, guys, comment below, and if there's enough of you, I will do a video on how to buy a car. Just a quick one if you want, just the things that you can check quickly before you even look at the car, and like that app that we used, diagnostic tools that you can get cheap to check the car before you buy it as well, and what things you need, what things are important to check before you buy a car. And I can also do a long video for you on how to actually physically check the things, how to do a test drive, what you should be looking for, how to decide if you need a petrol or diesel car or hybrid, and a lot of info on the common issues and everything else. I'll be more than happy to do it for you if you are interested, guys. It'll be my pleasure, because I know not everyone are car people and worked on them before. So this is just obviously to help everyone out, and that's why I'm here. And yeah, guys, just another big thank you to all the Scirocco community group. Guys, you've been awesome, and there you go, that's why I'm back as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, comment below and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.